Cuckoo. The love of the Lord save our souls. So, what time is it? Midnight. So, cook. Ciao, Elias. I love you. I miss you so. Okay, so what is this? You. Chew. Wow. This version from today, the second built up thing, and this is from yesterday, signal generator. The first for signal for a bigger Tesla generator, and this is almost the same, a little bit smaller, much smaller, much more integrated. Basically, this is for gate drive power supply, stabilized, galvanically isolated power supply for gate drive system in a big resonance Tesla generator, and this is the signal generator. So basically, yeah, it works, so don't have to throw it or dismount. It looks much nicer, otherwise I like it. So also with shunt resistor, current limit, dead time control, anything else, voltage control of course. So the idea of how to use this IR2110 only in high side mode without LC resonance stuff, high-low switched MOSFETs. Yeah, as normally here they come high switch, low switch MOSFETs, and then some changing voltage on the floating power supply, buffered and used for the high side. It's a little bit complicated, but if we don't have two transistors and LC resonance, so we cannot pump and charge up this high side driver power part, then my idea is basically instead of driving a MOSFET, yeah, on the low side, we have transformator, and we use the high side for switching a MOSFET, and this will be for the gate drive power supply, for the gate drive, isolated gate drive, because in high side switched mode the back EMF comes directly back to the power supply, you know, so we don't have to play with the back EMF more 100 volts spikes that will be handled in the Schottky diode built in the MOSFET. So positive, switching the MOSFET, the back EMF comes immediately back into the power supply, and this will be the gate drive for a bigger resonance system, and not the gate drive but the power supply of a gate drive IC, two ICs. And if you take the low part, some barrier Schottky diode. We send the positive into the coil, then the coil goes to the negative of the power supply, the low side power supply, which is the same as the signal. So the negative on the second and the 13th pin, they are connected, you see, negative, negative, here loop, and so low side gate signal, we steal it via barrier Schottky diode and ampere limit resistor. We shoot that power in a coil that goes to the negative. Then the back EMF, the extra positive power, the kickback, the back EMF, okay, comes back to the power supply of the IC, but voltage stabilized and pre-buffered, so the spikes will not destroy the IC because we limit the voltage at 19.4 volts. It's very important. So we pull the primary of a really small transformator. We use the back EMF, we drive it back, we pump it back into the low power side for the IC, driver IC. And then we take the secondary of this small transformator, and as you can see, full bridge rectifier, also same emitter follower, Zener stabilization, the very same, okay? And stabilized, and it will give us another separated small galvanic isolated small power supply for the high sides. Power, okay, and this is it. ChatGPT does not like this solution, but we could try it, of course. There is also a reverse polarity protection otherwise. Another one, Schottky diode, as you can see, anti-parallel on the low side drive output. Okay, so is it genial? So I think this is so easy. High low, push pull, whatever. Yeah, we need a push pull signal. Then of course we can drive back, so we can feed back the voltage with a voltage divider, TL431 reference voltage switch, and optocoupler, and with the optocoupler we can disable. This is a disable pin in the middle otherwise, okay. As the shutdown pin, so if you wish we can pull it up. If you give a plus voltage at the shutdown pin, then it will disable the wall stuff. Oh yeah, maybe it could work. Yeah, I mean this could work. If you have any idea, please share with me, comment. Lord Jesus bless you all, and all the suffering creations. The creator of the world should save us, finally give us innocent, peaceful life. This is all just game of Matrix, Hunger Games and all the stuff. Always fighting the system, always suffering and killing each other, and cruelty and no idea. This is a sick world, but we have to pray to the Creator for a real peaceful life. God bless you all. You are the light of the world. Peace for all.